One thing is a clear. Whenever has power in this world can do anything, today America is doing exactly the same thinking to Iran. What the biggest question to think about here is that war happens between soldiers. So why are civilians are being attacked? America has directly attacked Iran's civilian infrastructure, completely destroying Iran's two largest water reserves. As a result, in this scorching summer, drinking water is not even reaching about 20,000 homes. The matter is not limited to Iran alone. India is also bearing the direct loss of it. America attacked an Indian ship which has 24 people on board and 3 of them have died. America even released a proper video of this attack. But despite this, not a strike warning has been given to America from India's side. If you look at this stance of the Indian Ministry of External Affairs, they only said that the attacks happening on ships are deeply concerning. India has continuously remained nature throughout this war, but this is a casing continuously lost US because then Indian government sets away from the condemning America. Meanwhile, Iranian's military, the IRGC, has cleared announced that the world's main sea route of the Strait of Hormuz will never remain completely closed. The impact of this route close will we see you very soon, just like what you feel that month of March this year whenever sudden shortage of LPG cylinders occurred. This problem could be see again. As you already know, India was 85 to 90% of required crude oil from other countries through imports. With the Strait of Hormuz closed, there will be a massive shortage of oil in this international market, due to which the price of crude oil will go away $100. When oil becomes this expensive, the India rupees will be keep falling, even future again their dollars. Maybe in just a few days, you might even the heard news that price of $1 has crossed 100 rupees, which will start increasing inflation everywhere in India. On the other hand, Iran does not such long-range missile that can directly attack America. That is why continuous large attacks are being carried out by Iran across of Gulf countries like Dubai and Saudi Arabia, where America because are launched. Iran also knows that it is impossible for it to win this war, but wants to do this fight of out case maximum damage of US and Israel. Russia and China are helping Iran immensely in this task, because of which Iran is able to attack American military because it escalates that the right and price stops. Now you all must be wondering how this war is suddenly because so dangerous so quickly. While tasks were going on between both sides and a ceasefire had even taken place. The first reason behind this is Israel continuously attacked on Lebanon because Israel does not want a ceasefire to happen as soon possible. The second biggest reason was Donald Trump's statements which claimed that Iran shot down an American Apache helicopter with its drone. Although Iran has denied this word. For this very reason, America started attack on Iran. You already know outcome after that Iran also started firing anti-Sarmanet missile in return, which I told you about in my previous video. Now the situation is that America and Israel are saying that if Iran does not agree by the tomorrow, if will be attacked with full force. America is still continuously attacked with Tomahawk missile and according to their military, more than 49 Tomahawk missiles have been used. What turning around question remains the same. Why is civilian infrastructure being targeted? What is the future of the common people of there? Trump will we have answered this question as to why they are continuously carry out of such attack. Maybe they are taking full advantage for this power because in the democracy whenever speaking against America is completely it's remind by the thought a wave of heavily sanction on them. Perhaps this is why India also does not give any opinion statement against America. What my belief is clear. What is right must be declared right. What is wrong must be called wrong. What do you think called this war being another major economic crisis to this world? You all must give your opinions in comment box. Thank you so much.